So here's how to set up order confirmation page on Clickfunnels. But before we start, you can try out Clickfunnels for free for 14 days by using my link in the description. Clickfunnels is a SaaS platform that provides tools for businesses to create high-converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages, and other marketing assets. First, let's click on Pricing on the top on their website. Here, you can see their different pricing plans, starting with Startup and Pro. You can also select between monthly plans and annual discount on the top. You can see the different pricings for monthly and annual. Now, from this page, let's scroll up and click on Login on the top and click on ClickFunnels. If you don't have an account, just click on my link in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the ClickFunnels dashboard. Over here, if you go to the left panel, you can see all of these options. So let's click on Funnels on the top left. Once you're here on this page, you will get to see all your funnels. And on the top right, click on Create Funnel in order to start a new one. You will then be taken to this page. This is where you can start building your funnel. You can select from all of these options provided. So let's go ahead and go to Cart Funnels, then click on Select. So once you're here on this page, scroll down and you will get to see all the templates available. Choose the one that you like and click on Select Funnel. After clicking on it, you will see that it's now being installed. Give it some time to get done. Sometimes it may take a while, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will get to see this section. Click on Customize Now. After that, you'll be redirected to the next page. Over here, you will get to see all the sections that you can customize for your funnel. Here, we can see Storefront page, which is connected to Product page, then OTO. You can click on this plus button to add additional pages. So now, let's go ahead and click on it. And on the right side, you will get to see all of these options. Let's select Page from the options. After that, you will get to see this section from where you can choose a page. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific page. Now let's select Order Confirmation from the Category section on the left. Here, scroll through the options and click on Choose on any one that you like. There are a lot of options to choose from, so scroll through and check them out. I will go with this one over here, so I'll click on Choose. On this section, you need to put in a name for your page. So, on the name section, type in the name and then put in a description. Also, you can set the URL for your page. Then select a style for your page from all of these options. You can also enable index in search engines. Once you're done putting in all the information, click on Create Page. After that, it will start creating your page. Sometimes it may take a while, so give it some time. And as you can see, the page has been created. Now, over here, you will get to see options like Edit Page, and it says Loading Preview. Since we just created this page, it's currently loading the preview. So, you need to wait for a while for it to get loaded up completely. Before it's done, you cannot check out the preview. Also, if you hover over here, you will get to see this icon. Click on it. And after that, you will be able to choose a workflow. And since it's taking too long, I will refresh the page. After that, let's scroll down and check it out again. But it still says the same. It says thumbnail loading. So let's just give it some time. As you can see, it just stopped blinking. If you go over to it, you can click on Preview to check it out. After that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. Now, scroll through and check out the page you just created. This is the preview of your newly created page. You can click on the cross icon on the top right to get the full view of the page. Now, let's go back to the previous page. From here, hover over the section again, then click on Edit. You will then be taken to the Clickfunnels editor page. Here, just give it some time to load up your newly created page. And once it's done, on the left panel, you will get to see the different pages right here. You can choose whichever one that you want, and also select different elements of your page To customize it, you can select the default text and replace it with your own. As an example, I'm changing up the text over here. Select whichever parts you want to remove and then replace the text with your desired text. This way, you can customize all the texts of this page. Now, let's move on to the next text. Here, you can see an option that says Add Element. Click on it. Then from the right pop-up, select any one that you want. I will go ahead and click on Link. You can now add a link for your text. Now, let's go to the receipt section. Here, let's select the entire text and make it bold. You can also change the position of the text according to your preference. And if you click on the background, you will get to see all the background options on the right panel. You can easily change the color of the background just like this. Select your theme colors from the options available. After that, right below it, you get the options for size and positions. Go through these options and make any necessary adjustments. If you scroll down further, you will get to see a lot more options to customize. If you click on Background, you will get to set the color with this slider. And for the foreground, you can also make adjustments for the color as well. Now, scrolling down, you will get to see some more options to choose from. Use them if you want. Now, let's go to the next section, which is the order confirmation section. Here, you can select this specific part in order to make adjustments from the right panel. From here, let's select confirmation products. The first options here are for the padding. And as we adjust the top padding, you will get to see it's moving in real time. Then, let's click on this part once again. And this time, let's select confirmation header. After that, we will get all the options for this section. This way, just go ahead and make all your desired changes. You can select each sections like this and make your changes on the right panel. Now, let's click on Add Element on the bottom right here. After that, we will choose Headline from the right panel. Here, you will get to see a headline has been added. Here, just select the entire headline and type in whatever you want to replace the text with. I'll go ahead and type in something random. Now, let's scroll down the page. Here, if you click on this image, you will get the option to upload or choose a new image. So, let's click on this image icon right over here. After that, you'll be taken to this page. You can view all images and also AI generated. Here, if you scroll through, you'll be able to select from any of these options. And as you can see, the image has been replaced. This way, just scroll through the page and make all your necessary changes. Now, let's scroll up to the top. Once you're done with this page, click on Save on the top right corner. After that, your newly edited page will be saved. If you don't have any further changes to make, you can just go ahead and go back to the previous page. And once you're here, scroll down, you will get to see your newly edited order confirmation page right here on the bottom. And that is exactly how to set up order confirmation page on ClickFunnels.